If we have 3 over 5, there's something to keep in mind. We have terms here, of course. The top number is called the numerator. That's Numerator, numerator. The bottom number is called the denominator, Denominator. The denominator is on the bottom. Now, these terms will continue to haunt you up to and through calculus, so remember them well, my pupil. Remember them well. Later on, they go by a different name. They're called rational expressions, which is really just a fraction, but just has a lot of other terms in it. So again, even in a rational expression, the top part you would still call that the numerator. I mean, there's no avoiding it. And the bottom part, guess what that's called? Yeah, no surprises here, denominator. So even though when we switch from fractions like 3/5 to rational expressions like x plus 3 over 4x squared plus 7x plus 2, still have a numerator denominator. So print that in your brain, please. Thanks, guys.